I'm Fiona Booy and I'm from St Albans Pottery. And today we're going to make seed grenades, clay grenades full of wildflower seeds. And this video forms part of my BeeWild series. This is a series where we make clay and wildflower seed creations. We place the raw clay creations in gardens, parks, various wild places, and over time the rain will wash away the clay, leaving just wildflower seeds, which will then sprout and grow, bringing us happy bees and lots of flowers. So what you're going to need is some regular clay, ideally not air dry clay, in that will have some particles in it that you don't necessarily want in your garden. You will also need a paintbrush and a pointy stick. This one over here is a bamboo skewer. You'll also need some water. You will also need a packet of seeds. So the basic concept with your seed bombs or seed grenades is that you're going to make round hot spheres and they're going to be filled with seeds. Once they are dry, nice and bone dry, then you can actually throw them quite easily into an area, an unruly area that needs wildflower seeding, and it's quite fun. What you need to decide is whether or not you're going to make little tiny balls or if you're going to make big balls. If they're quite solid, you'll probably want to place them in the ground so that they can wash away. I think I might make two out of this. So I'm going to twist it, put that one aside, and I now have a block of clay. I'm going to twist it again, and I'm going to turn this one into the bottom half, that one into the top half, and join them together. The first thing you want to do, roll, or pat it into a nice ball. The next thing you want to do is get your thumb, and we're going to make a pinch pot. We're going to make two pinch pots that then can go together. So, pinch pot, what you'll want to do, pop the thumb in, and then you're going to twist, 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 until you get it nice and even. What you want is when you're making your pinch pot, that is even all the way around. So it's the same thickness at the top and the sides all the way around, okay? Then when you're done, you give it a little tap on the ground, and then you can see it's got a nice flat seal. Do the same thing to the other. So once you've got your two half domes, you can then see you want them about the same size, so you get a nice burgery shape. And what you want to do is then do your hashtags. So the way you join clay together is you need to draw a little hashtag like that. Okay, you draw all the way around there, and anytime you join clay, you want to join on that side as well. You would then dab it with water and join it together. And then what we need to do is, before we close it up, we've got to get our seeds, and we need to put in a very generous dollop of the seeds. Then we get the two pieces together and we join them up. What's important now is that you go all the way around and you squish that seam nice and closed. So to make a hand grenade, I'm going to roll it a little and get it into more of an oval shape. I might even squeeze it. That's quite fun actually. And a nice shape like that. You want to be able to make your pin and pop that on the top and draw some lines about it. So once you do that, you can then draw on the pieces to your hand grenade or your seed grenade. And I'm going to tap it so that it actually sits quite nicely. Leave it to dry for a few days, and then when it's bone dry, we can go out and chuck it. Right, you guys have fun, happy making, send me some photographs, have a buzz. And just to finish up, just to remind you, I'm Fiona Booy from St Albans Pottery. If you've enjoyed this video, pop onto my YouTube channel and see if there's any others that you fancy, and give me a subscribe, or even still, a thumbs up. Have a good day.